Hello everyone, this is Yamin, and in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can upload your Laravel project to Namecheap hosting service provider. So after logging to the Namecheap, you will see something like this. So here you can see a domain name innerwheelelection.com. So I am going to upload my Laravel project to this domain. So over here you can see a few options, and for this option, for the middle one, here you can see go to cPanel option. So I'll just click on it. So it will redirect us to the cPanel, and there you go. This is our cPanel for Namecheap. And right now if we go down here, you can see file manager option over here. So I'll just click on it on file manager, and after it, if we go down here, you can see public_HTML. So let's go inside, and here we're going to upload our Laravel project. And in order to upload the Laravel project, we must have our project as zip file. Okay, so I already made my project into a zip. Let me just show you. So here you can see this is my Laravel project web, and here you can see the zip file over here. So I'm going to upload this zip file to the Namecheap. So in order to upload it, here you can see the upload option. So I'll just click on this upload button, and then I'll just click over here, select file. Right now we'll just go to our project location, and there you can see the web zip file over here. I'll just select it, then click open, and there you go, it is uploading. So it may take some time. So right now I'll just fast forward the video. So there you can see the upload is complete. So right now I'll just click over here, and there you go, we are able to see the zip file. Here you can see web.zip. So first of all, we need to extract this zip file. So for it, we'll just right click on this zip file, and then here you can see the extract option. So we'll click on extract. We'll extract our project to this location, public_HTML. So right now I'll click on extract files, and it will take a few seconds. And there you go, the extract is complete. So we can just close this, and we can also just delete this zip from here. We'll just delete it permanently. And after this, here you can see web. So we'll go inside the project, and right now here at the top you can see select all option. So we'll click on select all. Then here you can see the move option. So click on move, and we'll choose the location public_HTML. So we'll remove this folder name from here, and after it, just click over here, move files. And there you go, all the files are moved to the public HTML location. So if I now click on this up on level option, there you go. So those are located in the public_HTML. Okay, so right now, before we modify anything over here, we need to create our database for our project. So let's go back to the cPanel, and right now here, if you go down here, you can see MySQL databases and PSMyAdmin. So let me just click over here, MySQL databases. So here you can see create new database option. So here we need to give a database name. Let's say our database name will be web. You can give it any name. Okay, so right now I'll just click on this button, create database. Once you click on this button, it will create the database inner_TKP_web. This will be the database name. So let's click on this option, go back. So we created the database. So right now we need to create a user in order to handle the database. So if we now go down here, you can see MySQL user, add new user. So let's say the username will be same on web, and let's say password will be this one, same as the database name inner_TKP web. We'll just paste the password over here 2 times. Okay, so after that, after giving the username and password, here you can see create user button. So right now I'll click on this option, create user. The page is reloading, and a user is created. Here you can see you have successfully created MySQL username inner_TKP web. So right now we can just click on go back. So right now what we need to is that we need to connect the database and user. So in order to do that, we'll just go down, and here at the bottom you can see we have only on user and only on database over here. And after selecting the user and database, here you can see the add button. So we click on add, and once you click add, it will take you to this page and it will ask for the permission for this certain user to this database. So we'll give all privileges. We'll just select it and go down, and here you can see make changes option. Just click on it. It will reload, and here you can see you have set inner TKP vote web privilege to the database. Okay. So right now, let's just go back to the cPanel again, and we'll just go down, and here you can see PSCMyAdmin. If I now click on PSCMyAdmin, it will open in different tab. It will just show us the database. So here you can see inner TKP underscore photo web, and there is nothing in this database table. So what we need to do is that for the project, for this project, we have a database. So we are going to upload that SQL file. So I already downloaded the SQL file. Let me just show you. Here I have the SQL file over here. You can see. So right now, what I need to do is that just click on the database, and then here you can see the import option. Just click on import. Then here you can see choose file. So I click on choose file, then go to downloads, then go to web, just select it and then click open, and there you can see the database name over here. So we'll just go down, and here you can see the import option or import button. Just click on import, and there you can see all the table is imported to the database. So right now we need to go back to the file manager where we have the project. So here you can see the public folder, but before that, let me just remind you that we have already created our database. Over here you can see our database name, the database username, and password as well. So first of all, we are going to modify our .env file. So just select it, then right click, and here you can see the edit option. Just click on edit, then edit again, and here we need to give our database name. So our database name was this one, right? So let me just copy the database name, Ctrl+C, and we need to paste it over here. And let me just show you the username. The username and database name was the same. Here you can see. So let me just copy this again, even though both of them are same, but we'll just paste over here, and password was also the same thing. And for some reason, if you just forgot the password, you can also change the password from here. Okay. So let's go back, and after that, here you can see app URL. So here we need to give our domain name. So where can I get the domain name? Here I have the domain name. So let me just copy the domain name from here, Ctrl+C. Let's go to env and make sure that you have the HTTP before it. So I'll just remove the localhost from here and then paste the domain name. And after it, just click over here, save changes. Once you click it, it will show us this success message. So we can now just close this. So after this, what we need to do is that we need to go to our public folder. And from the public folder, we need to move the index and .htaccess file from here. We just select those two. Then here you can see the move option. Click on move, and we'll move it to the public underscore HTML. So just click over here, move files. So let's go up on level. And right now, if we just go down, here you can see index.php and .htaccess. So let's go inside index.php, right click on it, then click edit again. And here you can see storage, and before it we have a slash and dot. So we'll remove the slash and dot from here, then go down. For the vendor, we'll do the same, and for bootstrap we'll also do the same. And after it, just click over here, save changes, and we can just close this. So right now, let's just go to our domain name, and our domain name was this on inner wheel election.online. So if we just search over here inner wheel election.online and go there. So this is our Laravel website. So we are able to upload our Laravel website successfully to the Namecheap hosting service provider. So this is how you can upload your Laravel project in Namecheap. I hope this tutorial was useful to you. If you have any question or any problem or any confusion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.